Good afternoon, kids. Today I will explain about third class EVS. In third class EVS, first lesson is our planet is completed. Second lesson in the uses of globe. The uses of globe, and today we are explain what is globe and what is continents and what is oceans. Also completed. Which is the largest continents in the world? Continents. How many continents are there? You did in homework? Next, which is the largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Which is the smallest ocean? Which is the smallest ocean, Nana? Which is the smallest ocean? Arctic. Okay, na? You should learn if you have. నానా బుక్స్ వచ్చినాయి అందరూ వచ్చి కొనుక్కోవాలి. ఓకేనా? బుక్స్ ఉంటే మీకు ఇంకా బాగా అర్థమవుతుంది. వీడియోస్ బుక్స్ ప్లస్ నా వీడియో చూస్తే మంచిగా అర్థమవుతుంది. టుడే ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ మ్యాప్. టుడే ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ మ్యాప్. సో ద స్పెల్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాప్ MAP మ్యాప్. మ్యాప్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ మ్యాప్, వాట్ ఈస్ మ్యాప్ మీన్స్ వాట్? వాట్ ఈస్ మ్యాప్? Map spell MAP map. MAP map. The map show a part of the whole. The map shows a part of the whole. అంటే మనకి మ్యాప్ సపోజ్ కంట్రీస్ని కానీ సిటీస్ని కానీ ప్లేసెస్ని we are showing the maps. Yes, the maps basically divided into the 4 types are there. In maps are basically divided into the 4 types. In what is map? A drawing of the earth flat surface. A drawing of the earth. A drawing of the earth flat surface. Flat surface. What is map? A drawing of the earth. A drawing of the earth. A drawing of the earth flat surface. How is the flat surface? Flat surface is called as map. A drawing of the earth flat surface is called as map. Maps are basically divided into the 4 types: political map, physical map, climate map, road map. Political, POLITICAL, political map, MAP map. Physical map, PHYSICAL, physical map, MAP map. Climate, CLIMATE, MAP map, climate map. Road map, ROAD, road, MAP map, road map. In maps are basically divided into the 4 types. Nana, maps are divided into the how many types? 4 or 5 types? 4 types. Political map, physical map, climate. Climate means how is the weather. Today Gadwal is there, cold is there and very hot is there, and we are in mobiles also in paina padtu untaru kada. That is for climate map. Road map, suppose we are going to the excursion, suppose we are going to the Tirupati, we can't మీకు రోడ్డు గురించి అసలు తెలియదు ఎలా పోవాలో. turn the left, turn the right, turn the left and go straight. We are using the road map. And phone also one option is there in mobiles now. In road map, on the road map choose nowadays we are going to the one place to another place. We are using, suppose in hospital in Hyderabad, in hospital Amirpet is there, and where is Amirpet in the nearest to the and Google road map and కొట్టేస్తే మనం హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్తాం. సో వీఆర్ బేసికలీ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్, మనకు చాలా యూజ్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఎస్ అండ్ is divided into the 4 types. What is map? A drawing of the earth and flat surface. A drawing of the earth and flat surface is called as map. Political map. In political map, what is means political map? A political map does not show a political map does not show the topographic and instead focus. Does not show the topographic and instead focus. solely in the state of national boundaries of a place. National boundaries of a place. They also include the location of cities in political cities. Location మనకి లొకేషన్ పొలిటికల్స్ మ్యాప్లో వీఆర్ లొకేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద సిటీస్. ఇఫ్ యు నాట్ డస్ నాట్ టు టోపోగ్రాఫికల్ ఇన్స్టిల్ ద focus only state of the boundaries. In this political map location of the cities. Political map ఏం చూపిస్తే మనకి సిటీస్ లొకేషన్ మీన్స్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉన్నాయి సిటీస్ అనేవి కూడా విచ్ మ్యాప్ వీ కెన్ సీ పొలిటికల్ మ్యాప్. And next map is physical map. PHYSICAL physical map. Map. Physical map. In physical map, what can you be observed? A physical map, one of the shows the physical landscape. The physical map is one of the show the physical landscape, future of a place. The physical landscape and future of a place. Means what can you see in physical map? Mountains. Next, rivers. Which river follows? Rivers, lakes and water. Okay na? Mountains, rivers, lakes, water. Evaluation changed as usually such the different colors of the shadow. Different colors of the shadow shows the physical map. The whole evaluation is the course in dark green. In dark green is the low. When we use dark green, the dark green shows while higher evolution transistor, higher evolution for transistor. From orange dark brown, reverse shows the blue. Reverse shows the blue. Reverse shows which color? Blue color. Orange, the evaluation for transistor we are using for orange color. Okay, now reverse we are using blue color. Understood na? A physical map here shows the mountains, rivers, lakes and water. In reverse shows which color? Blue colors. Reverse shows blue color. And dark green, the low evaluation we are using dark green. The orange color we are using evaluation transistor we are using orange color. And next is climate map. Today how is the climate in our some cities? Suppose we are here, Gadwal is rain falling. ఇక్కడ చాలా కూల్గా ఉండి rain fall అవుతుంది. But Hyderabad how is their weather? You are searching the Google means temperature means how is the weather we are seeing the climate map. ఈ climate map లో మనం weather చూడడానికి బాగా అవుతుంది. Today temperature is 46 degrees cool and 36 degrees hot. In our show it now. How will they show it? In map. The temperature is shows the information climate of area. ఇది మనకి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ని చూపిస్తుంది. సార్ information of the temperature of this there in climate is show information of the that shows information area. They can show things the specific climate zones of area. Specific climate zones also is there. Areas also we can show the climate maps. The number of clouds, the average number of clouds. The map is normally use color shows in different colors. ఈ climate map లో we are seeing different colors we are showing the climate map. అండర్స్టూడ్. ఈ క్లైమేట్ మ్యాప్ అనేది మనకు వెదర్ ఒక ప్రదేశంలో ఎట్లా ఉంది ఇంకొక ప్రదేశంలో ఎలా ఉంది తెలుసుకోవడానికి వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ద క్లైమేట్ మ్యాప్. ఇన్ క్లైమేట్ మ్యాప్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్ షోస్ ద క్లైమేట్ మ్యాప్. దీనికి పర్టికులర్గా ఈ కలర్ అంటూ ఏమి చూపించారు, అన్ని రకాల కలర్స్తో కలిసి ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ రోడ్ మ్యాప్. రోడ్ మ్యాప్ అంటే రవాణా వ్యవస్థ లోపల మనకి ఎక్కడ ప్రదేశం ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలో రూట్ మ్యాప్ అని చూపిస్తాం కదా, అది దట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ రోడ్ మ్యాప్. ఇన్ map and airports, cities, location of place. Location అంటే మనం one place to we are going to one place to another place, we compulsory we use location. Yes or no? Suppose we are living in Gadwal, in a location మనకు కనపడుతూ ఉంటుంది కదా in our mobile లో, we are going to suppose Hyderabad. So how is road map means first we are go to Eravalli to we are going to like this is then we are turn left U-turn like this road, that is called road map. In road map shows parks, cities, hospitals and major highways, the larger than roads, while minor roads and colors also is there. The okay na, highway and major roads we shows the road map. Color and a narrow line, colors of a narrow line. Suppose this roads are there, this is for road, and suppose like this is there, some like this is there, some like this is from roads. ఇక్కడ అన్ని ఇవన్నీ సిగ్నల్స్ ఎలా ఎక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంటాయి మనకి ఇన్ ఏ రోడ్. సపోజ్ జీబ్రా క్రాసింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఈజ్ దేర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ జీబ్రా crossing like this is the, this is totally in road map we are using the airport, cities, the location of a place, a parks, okay na, parks and monuments, major highways are road map we are generally we are using. The larger than other roads, understood Nana? What is a map? A drawing of the eight flat surface is called as map. We are basically divided into the how many types? 4 types: political, physical, climate, road map. Okay na? Political map shows does not show the topographic, instead focus we located for show the cities. Physical map shows the mountains and rivers and lakes and water, we shows them. Next, climate map we use the temperature, today how is the climate and different colors shows the climate map. Road map we can where is the location? First we can use the location of your place, we are using the highways, okay na, highways and another high and larger than other roads also we are using road map, okay na. Today question is a what is a map? In maps are divided into the how many types? What is a map? Maps are divided into the how many types? Okay na Nana? See, in our page number 13, in our map also is there. See, in this map, this is for North America, this is for continents. North America, South America, Africa, Asia, Australia. Asia is the largest continent, okay na? In smallest continents, Australia. Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America. If you identify the maps course book lo meer identify cheyali. Already here given in this picture also given nana, ikkada icharu meer ikkada chusi kuda ikkada cheyochu, okay na. Today second lesson is completed. You should learn at home.